So, we've reviewed plenty of e-bikes on our channel before, but today, we're a little extra excited about the one we've got. It's the Actbest Mars, a foldable, low-budget, all-terrain e-bike. Well, Actbest has been making some really good e-bikes for quite a while, and this one we have in front of us is one of their most affordable models. However, we expected a few compromises because of its lower price. But as we started testing, the e-bike turned out to be quite the opposite. So, without wasting any more time, let's get straight into the unboxing experience. So, when we opened up the package, we found everything in the standard order. You'll have these foamy protections for the whole bike, and all the things has been kept nicely. All you need is to bring them out of the box one by one, including the front wheel, seat, pedals, charger, and tools. Now, it's time to get into the installation. Let's assemble the handlebar first. What comes next is the front wheel, so let's spin the wheel. The front wheel is done. Now let's move on to the seat and battery installation. Alright, the seat is perfectly seated. Now we have to assemble the pedals and connect all the cables. That's it. Check it out. Look how cool this looks. Once you fully set up the Actbest Mars, the first thing that'll grab your attention is how compact yet tough it looks. Here, you can see how the frame blends practicality with adventure. It's compact enough for daily city rides. Although it's not built for off-road trails entirely, it's sturdy enough to handle them on weekends. The folding frame and those chunky, all-terrain tires give it a confident, muscular look, like it's always ready to take on anything you throw at it. And here's something a lot of people will love. The Mars comes in 7 vibrant color options: black, white, gray, electric blue, red, orange, and purple. It's honestly impressive to see such a wide color range at this price point, and for all the color freaks and choosy riders out there, this is definitely going to be a highlight. Now, coming to the performance, here you have a 1,000-watt rear hub motor that really is a good deal for a budget-friendly e-bike. It's paired with a 48-volt 10.4 amp-hour battery, which, as you can see, is nicely integrated into the frame. Depending on your riding style and terrain, you can get around 50 to 55 miles of range on a full charge, which is plenty for a full day of commuting or leisure rides. For braking, here you get mechanical disc brakes on both the front and rear, with 160mm rotors that offers reliable stopping power once they've worn in a little. Down below, those 20 by 3-inch all-terrain tires do a great job gripping both asphalt and gravel, which keeps you stable and comfortable no matter where you ride. And up front, here's your suspension fork. It smooths out bumps and potholes just enough to make your ride feel steady and controlled. It's not super soft, to be honest, but for everyday riding, it gets the right balance. Lastly, you've got your Shimano 7-speed gear system and built-in front and rear lights, which make the Mars not just powerful, but also safe and practical for both daytime commutes and night rides. Overall, the bike feels well-rounded, stylish, strong, and surprisingly feature-rich for what it costs. Now, one of the coolest parts about the Mars is how user-friendly it is. The folding design really changes how you think about portability. It folds in the center, the handlebar stem collapses, and even the pedals and seat post can fold down, which makes it very easy to carry or store, no matter if it's in your car trunk or inside your apartment. The handlebar area is nicely organized too. On the right, you've got your half-twist throttle, rear brake lever, and Shimano gear shifter, while on the left, there's the display with speed, battery level, pedal assist mode, and controls for power, lights, and horn. The seat and handlebar height can be adjusted easily, so riders of different heights can find their ideal comfort zone. Starting it up is simple. Just turn the key to unlock the battery and hold the M button for a couple of seconds to power on the display. You'll find 5 pedal assist levels, and what's really fun is how the speed ramps up. Mode 1 gives around 9 miles per hour, Mode 3 jumps to about 17, and in Mode 5, it reaches an impressive 28 to 29 miles per hour. The throttle response is smooth, and cruise control kicks in after holding the throttle for a few seconds, letting you relax on longer rides. The braking performance feels reliable, with a stopping distance of roughly 15 to 20 feet, and the ride overall feels light, balanced, and playful. almost like a BMX with electric power. Even on off-road trails, the Mars holds its ground surprisingly well, with strong frame integrity and stable traction. Charging the battery is very easy. You can plug it in directly or remove it for indoor charging, and the indicator makes it easy to check your power levels. On top of that, the bright headlight and responsive brake light make night rides safe, while the little saddlebag is a handy bonus for carrying small essentials like your phone or repair tools. Altogether, the Actbest Mars manages to blend power, portability, and comfort in a way that feels easy to love once you actually start riding it. Now, if we come to the value for money, you might get surprised. This amazing folding e-bike now costs just $559. Yes, that's a great deal, considering the capabilities it has. You are getting a 1-year guarantee for this edition, and in case you find any difficulties, they have their customer support team ready for you. Overall, this is one of the most budget-friendly e-bikes available in the market that can reach 29 miles per hour. As for the final thoughts, the Actbest Mars proves that a budget e-bike doesn't have to feel cheap. With its 1,000-watt motor, foldable frame, and up to 55 miles of range, it delivers both fun and functionality for under $600, which is honestly impressive. It's compact, powerful, and built to handle more than just city streets. So, if you've been waiting to grab your first e-bike without breaking the bank, the Actbest Mars might just be the smartest pick you can make. Check out the purchase link from the description below. Get one for you, try it out on your favorite trails, and share your entire experience in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get more amazing e-bike reviews like this.